Early in the morning I still get a little bit nervous, fighting my anxiety constantly. I try to control it, even when I know it's been forever. I can still feel the spin. Hurts when I remember and I never wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, 'cause I can't express how thankful I am that you are always with me when it hurts. I know that you understand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning on his best, kissing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and out, but the air gets caught. 'Cause even though I'm older, knowing I know how to shake off the past, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning on his best, kissing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. I need you to know I won't ever be this wrong without you. You've seen how I've brought you to come my time, 'cause you are home. I don't wanna lose control. There's nothing I can do